Hey y'all, it is me, Xureila, and I'm back with another wig review video. So this wig is by Yoowigs, okay? And it is so freaking cute. It is a 360 lace frontal wig. It's pre-plucked with baby hair, and it's Brazilian straight Remy human hair, okay? And it has highlights in it, and it's just amazing. Okay, so today my nephew is going to be voicing over this whole video, so let's see how he does.
First I'm going to put on the wig, and I'm going to put stuff on it and put more stuff.
I'm going to be applying the olive oil.
Applying the olive oil gel and blow drying it.
Yes.
And then I'm gonna put the wig on and set it, put it, well, pat it, and blow dry it down with the comb, whatever. And then I'm going to comb it
the hairs away
and brush it away and blow dry it and put some
got to be free
spray and pat it down and put more and use the blow dryer.
Why am I doing this?
So it sticks and so Sissy doesn't pull it off.
Yes. Definitely.
And I'm gonna put on this thingy, and then I'm going to do my makeup.
Zaza is gonna walk around.
Zaza is walking around in the background. And then I'm going to put on this stuff on my cheeks and do my eyebrows.
Oh, okay.
And then I'm gonna take off the ribbon thingy and I'm going to cut the lace with a razor. And I'm going to look at Zai's eye, and then I'm gonna do it again.
Why am I cutting the lace?
Oh, so you can't see it?
Yes.
And then I'm putting more spray and I'm blow drying it, and
the lace is gone.
The lace is gone.
Do you see it?
Yeah, I can kind of see the line.
Because you gotta wait till I put the glue.
I'm putting more stuff, and then I'm gonna pat it down with the end of the comb and blow dry.
It's gone now. Y'all, and they were in the back distracting me, so if y'all see me keep looking over,
TT, I was looking at them. If we were distracting you, and you said no. So
I took some alcohol,
and then she took some alcohol and rubbed the lace and
rubbed my face because there was spray all over it.
Yeah, and put this stuff.
Y'all just seen him sneak in the video.
And then
I'm doing my
highlights. And then I'm going to get water and put, rub it on the lace.
Rub it on the hair.
On the hair.
So I can take out all the sticky.
Yeah, so all the sticky stuff goes away.
Right.
And you saw my sister. And I'm going to put on this mascara.
Yes. And you remember.
And then I'm going to put on my eyelashes and set my face and part my hair.
Okay, we're doing the middle part. Y'all know this is my favorite.
And then
just making sure the part is what?
Even.
Yes.
then I'm going to put this stuff in between my scalp. And then I'm going to use this hot comb and to straighten my hair. Using the back of the comb to flatten it, and then I'm using
an edge stick
to put on my hair so it does something.
Keeps all the flyaways down and just makes it look awesome.
And then I'm gonna use the comb to get the hairs for the edges.
Baby hairs, yes.
Edges? Is it called edges?
Edges and baby hairs.
Oh.
Basically. But I'm doing the baby hairs.
So she's doing the baby hairs. I'm going to do 2 on the side and 1 in the middle.
Yes. Oh, this is my first time doing all the baby hairs on webcam, okay? I did that. That's all I gotta say. Because usually I go in the bathroom and finish it, but I did everything on camera. Are y'all proud of me? Like this video if you're proud of me.
And then I have a line in my forehead, and then I'm gonna twist it.
Swoop whoop. Swoop.
Swoop it.
He said twist it. It's funny.
And then I'm gonna put more stuff in my scalp.
Why do I do that? Why do I put that stuff on my scalp? To make it look what?
Like
it's
real
a
scalp?
real scalp. Yes.
And then I'm gonna keep on swooping.
I had to add some more baby hairs. I like mine thick, kind of.
And then I'm going to get this brush and put this stuff on, and I'm going to use the hot comb again to straighten my hair.
Yes, make sure it's all flat.
And I'm gonna get the edge, and I'm gonna use the brush and brush it.
Brush it out. Now we're what?
And then I'm going to put on the ribbon thing.
To what? Lay them baby hairs,
lay the baby hairs down. And then I'm using this razor to cut the hair.
Yes. So it can have a little bit of layers,
extra hair.
Okay? So I can frame my face, you know, I'm a hairstylist.
And then I'm gonna get the flat iron and flatten my hair. I did that 10 million times. And then I'm using a comb and then a flat iron. My sister's right there with Zai, and I keep on walking back and forth, and my sister does too. And I keep on using the flat iron to make sure my hair is really, really straight. You do not want any frizzies.
Put his arms around my neck and hold his back. Okay, now hold his back.
Alright, y'all. So this is how the wig came out. Oh, y'all. Get into the lace. Where it's at. Please let me know in the comments. if you can see the lace. But yes, did it pass the lace test? Did I pass? Did I pass it? Oh my gosh, this hair already came bleached and everything. I didn't even put makeup on the lace at all, except the parts, and I put a little bit on it after, but you didn't really need no foundation or no powder on the lace at all because the lace is already bleached and it's already transparent. It's just perfect, and this hair is so beautiful. Look, y'all. My niece said that this is the best one yet. It's so pretty. I just love this color and everything. And y'all saw all the information on this hair will be down below. Go and check them out. This is some good quality hair. The lace is really easy to apply, and it was already plucked. It was already bleached. It was ready. Very beginner friendly. So yeah, I love it so much. Thank y'all for watching. And yeah, so I will see y'all in my next video.